Alright, in this video I'm recording how to let our developer Paul be able to power all and power on his instances from AWS console, while other instances cannot be touched by him. Currently he has two instances here, the test server 1 and the test server 2. These two servers usually get stuck with different kinds of problems, so Paul wants to directly restart them from AWS Web Console. I'm now trying to set up a privilege to let Paul be able to modify the test server 1. First, create an account for Paul. Create a developers group and put Paul in the group. Here I'd prefer to let developers have the read-only privilege. Except for that, also need to create a new policy to let group members be able to power on and power off the test server 1. Select the service EC2. Then define the actions which could be done by this policy. Search for start instances and stop instances. Now add the ARN or the test server 1 to let this policy be able to take actions on it. I won't define region and account, just select any. Find the test server 1's instance ID and paste it here. Review the policy, give it a name and a description. Then go back to create the group, refresh the policy, search for the policy that we just created and select it. Create the developers group, then continue to create the account. Select the developers group, then the job is done. Now I'm going to verify the settings. I'm using another browser and log in with Paul. As we can see, Paul is able to start and stop test server 1 now. But other instances cannot be stopped by him. The test server 2 needs to be controlled by Paul as well, so I'm going to add the test server 2 to the policy. It's easier to use JSON to define the instances. I'm going to create an array under resources instead of a single instance. Put test server 1 into the array. Then paste the server 1 again, but change the instance ID from server 1 to server 2. Review and save. Now the test server 2 can be stopped and started by Paul as well. While the production servers are still safe from Paul's touch. Alright, this is all for this video.